We're back on this grind. Took a nice break. Did a couple of rounds of Trackmania. Now to get back on this grind. I'm gonna just send the post out. Okay. Solve that one. Ooh, shivers. Shiver, shiver, shiver. Okay. Back on the grind. Gives me part 3. Just spam this everywhere. My baby boo is at work now. We spam it to her, I don't think. Or spam it to him. I'll also spam it to he's interested. Okay. Actually, I think I have posted anyways. Okay, cool. Everyone's happy, right? Right. Let me just do my avatar. Oh, it's streaming already. Oh, wait. I need to actually do that. I need to copy the chat and put the chat onto the screen. Properties. Drop the chat. Streaming now. Yep, cool. Everything's linked up. Okay. Oh, let's get this going. Okay. So, last thing we left off is we got the environment working. We cleaned up things. We need to position that somewhere. There we go. There's my little flare dude. Okay. So now the big bulkiness is we need a timeout when the player is being shot at. It's gonna be mostly do you have a collider? No, it doesn't look like you do. Keep the collider on here. Open up the script. Working this chaos. Didn't fix that error. I looked for it all over the place. Could not fix it. Okay, so we need a is being shot, and kind of a countdown, and so on and so forth. So let's create a private pool. Create a private pool. Oh my gosh. Be quiet, phone. Let's call it is targeted, like that. Okay, and we'll default it to false. Okay, oh, that looks good. And then we do an if is targeted. Awesome. So then we need another private bool, or not private bool, float. And we'll make this a serializable. And this will be start or initial countdown. There we go. So that is that. We'll set that up. And then we need another private float, which is going to be our current time, which will default to 0f for now. Good enough. So if it is, then we do current time plus equals time.delta time. Go. So that allows all that to be incrementing. And if we're still targeted, and if current time is greater than or equal to is actually max time. Max time. Then we're gonna print game over for now. Oh, that looks good. Now when the target enters, we are going to go is targeted equals true. And we're going to make current time equals 0f always. Actually, we'll make that when it exits. Is targeted equals false. Current time equals 0f. And we could play around with some props, but we won't worry about that for now. So there's some simpler things. So now if we're targeted for n period of time, we'll automatically die. So let's see if we can do this. I'm going to add a couple. I'm going to still keep these print statements here just so that we know. Actually, we'll do this. Out print current time. Just so that we know everything's working as it should. Okay, let's go into here, give it some time. Come on. Something in the background, there we go. We'll give it 3 seconds and see what that does. We'll hit play. Time. Hey, that worked. Nice. We'll hit play again, but this time I'll actually be moving and see if we can evade it. For whatever reason. There you go. For whatever reason, it did not want to move. We might want to have a slight delay. I don't know. Games being weird. Yeah, it's really weird. Not letting me. That's really weird. What's going on? Okay. I also don't like how it grabs the control to the mouse, but whoa. Okay. Can I? No. This was you? I don't know what happened there, but everything wanted to resize itself suddenly. Okay. Back to normal. Play with focus. No. I can't evade it easily though. Time is ticking, that's fine. So now the question is, can I actually evade it? If I can do that, then we have success, potentially. Okay, so can I evade it? Yes. Don't get why it's so gross. Okay, let's just comment out this little bit of code right here. I don't know why it's gross feeling on this if statement. Yeah, it's really weird. What processors like grab these just so we can see everything looks like processing. Right? Yeah, that's really weird because I'm. Oh, you know what it is? It's my stupid keyboard mouse. Not my mouse. My stupid keyboard is Bluetooth, and I bet it's losing signal on and off. That's why. Let's undo that commented code. Oh, gosh darn it. Okay. Now, cool. So we have a game over. And we have a target system that we can adjust by going to the deal placeholder and adjusting the shot time. Okay. Cool. Cool. Let's go into my to-dos and remove that. It'd be nice if we had better things, but simple right now will be our benefit. Okay. I want kind of do a rough estimate of where we could put our hunter position. We'll start here. And we'll just round everything up nicely. I need to take a log of all. We have 243 by 116. And then we can crop it all the way over here, which is 243 by -41. Crop it all the way down. 6 by -41. Game still in progress in the process to get operating. I mean, so it's somewhat operating. Like we got character movement. We now have it where the character can get shot. Not great, but it's a thing. Now I'm just setting up where the hunter can randomly be generated. At 1 yeah, close enough. So now I'm setting up this bit of math. So I need to generate a point between 2, 4, 3, 6, and 116 and 141 for hunter, which should be easy. Gen start position. Once that script's compiled, I will move it over and we can piece that together. And that should make it where the place where the target's coming from could be anywhere. And we're actually going to generalize this script because there's a lot of starting things that we want to just start up on. So we're going to generalize this script so that we can do it for the start position, the end position, everything. Okay, so grab our gen start. And again, because this is generalized, we're gonna set up a couple of variables. Of course, we're gonna have a private max, private int max x, which is going to equal 243. If we were to do this in reality, we'd create a, or if we were to create this in a for game, this would most likely be an interface. These values would be set up via an interface, and so on and so forth. Okay, this is going to be min x, and we're going to go 6. Now we're going to take this again, and we're going to do the exact same thing. Also, you'd most likely use a vector 2. Not really much benefit either way. Just code size would be smaller, but like the overarching stuff would be the same. What do you want? There we go. Cool. So those are those numbers. And don't save this. I'm also going to do one quick thing. Since we changed the shot command, I'm just going to have that here. Added game over to this code. And then we are generating the start position, and I will commit that after we're done. Okay, so with the start, we need to, so we actually want a callable gen position function. Okay. Right now, we're not going to call it outside, but in the future, we might need to. So the first thing it's going to do, and I think we want an on enable. Because I think on enable would be better than on start. Function calls when the object becomes enable or active. Actually, we want on active. Okay, nope, we'll just go with on enable. That's fine. So the gen position should be relatively simple code. We want random range, random float between the range, random range, deprecate. Okay, we want random range between max x, actually, min x and max x, and this will be our x position. And technically, this is the z position, so I'm just gonna clean up that code easy so that we don't have to be confused about that later. This will be a float. We want the float z equals random range. Oops. Min z and max z. So now we're going to give a random position between z and x and z. And we want a transform dot position equals a vector 3 of x transform dot position dot y and z. Now it's gonna randomly choose to do this. I think this needs to be a new. Right? Is that the thing I'm missing? Yep, there we go. So that will give us a random position based on that. We are actually going to have an update just for debugging purposes. If input and gets key, get key down, want space, E. There we go. And if it is, we're just gonna gen a new position. And the reason why we did that is so that I can practice, see if everything's working. So, in theory, I should be able to hit the spacebar and it should just move around the map rapidly. So. Okay. Eye on that. Hey, look at that. So now the hunter is moving around all over the place. And we can try to dodge it. So that's not bad. And I'm gonna just fix up one little thing with the projectile. I thought I could change the color of that easily. Nope. Interesting. Interesting. I honestly thought I could change the color of that quite easily. Where's the texture? Can I change the color via the texture? Oh my gosh, my eyes are blinding. There we go. The default type, input source. It looks like it's gonna have to remain white for now. That's fine for now. For now. Good enough. Okay. So that all works. Let's grab this. So now instead of spaces, we're gonna take that bit of code, paste it right there, and we should be good to go. This code should be good. So now the hunter will choose a random position at the very beginning and stay there. So just make sure everything works. It's always good to test often, test early, so to find a mistake before it becomes a true error. So we're gonna hit play. And yep, the hunter found a position. Great one for us. And that is that. May want to put a delay on the shooting or the aiming or something, but for right now, it's good enough. Okay, so that is that. We can minimize that. We can go into R2D. And we can go into here and we can remove spawn hunter. Add music to game. Really, it's fluff. But I guess there's no time like the present. What do we need? Start random start and end point for the deer. What else do we need? We actually need a game over screen now. And a start screen. And that really is starting to look like we might actually get something in. Woo. Okay, so let's grab some music. I'm gonna have to log in or open up Firefox. I'm gonna try to open up Firefox and see how deadly it is to my computer. Because hopefully Firefox remembers I was logged into Humble Bundle and I can grab the music that we were playing around with. If not, I would have to log into Humble Bundle and then grab the music that I was playing around with. Oh, great. It looks like it. Okay, this is gonna be really, really bad, but I need to do it for my own sanity. I need to go into this guy's setting. My computer is not gonna be happy with me. Let's watch the chaos ensue. Okay, there's that. There's that. Look at that. Look at that memory usage. It's gonna pink even further. Snapshot view. Because if I don't do this, I'm going to not like myself today. This one has it now. Okay. I hit apply. No. Okay. Let's see what happens. As soon as I see the tabs load, I can close out the first window. Hey, tabs are loaded. Okay. Quickly, quickly, quickly close. Cool. Okay. Now that that is somewhat organized, minimize. Okay, guys, I'm just having to go through all my 400 and some odd tabs and minimize them all. But it was better than scrolling through 400 some odd tabs. I just need a humble bundle. Which I feel like it's not going to remember me. Like I'm at that point where I'm almost and it's gonna be like, who are you? Why do I care? And I'll be like, because I am your master, I'm your owner, I manage you. I'll be like, poorly, and I'll be like, touche. Okay. Those near the end. I'm near the end. Oh, here we go. Okay. Humble bundle. Fingers crossed that it remembers my humble bundle. Fingers crossed that it responds. I think it's still trying to load up the one tab I accidentally clicked on. Isn't good. I need it to respond faster. So we're getting not that one. We are getting the unplugged. I have midnight right now. I'm still seeing 100% of your computer. Have you made any progress here? I have. We have technically the game over stuff, and we have the hunter spawning randomly. The environment and the deer is there. We also aren't getting the weird error that we were getting anymore. Have no clue what that fixed. And now I'm trying to load up Humble Bundle so we can get Music Pack Volume 1 unplugged and the associated yeah, whatever. The associated Unity plugin. So let's grab unplug music. Download and place the plane. Grab Unity audio plugin, which is another plugin I've never used before. So this will be fun, guys. Oh, the fun. You've come to entertain yourselves, I see. How can you so calmly look at the timer that ticks away every second? I don't look at it, but I like stressing you guys out. Plus, I've never done a game jam in the sense of like actually completing a desire to complete a game. I've always done it as a, hey, this will be a fun challenge. It's a fun way to get me to do devs and play around with tours that I don't normally get to play around with. So having that type of perspective on it helps greatly when it comes to not being stressed out and not being overly anxious. Okay, we need unzip this one. And we need to unzip this one. Sadly, personal details are in my downloads, so I'm going to have to keep that off screen now. But we are getting, I guess I could show you. We are getting the music. Look at all that music. Woo! Woo, music. Okay. Okay, I think I should be able to just drag the package over and it should unpack it. Okay. Got some prefabs, got some managers, and got a user guide. All of that looks lovely. And then I should be able to grab the music pack and just drag it in. wait until this is done. Also, did we? I don't think we did. No, we didn't. Okay. So first things first. Exclude all. Whoop. Exclude all of these guys. We can just create that. And then we select all these guys and we go added the simple audio manager. It'll be interesting to see how quote unquote simple this audio manager is. But if it is simple, like it says it is, it'll be easy, like it says it is. Drag and drop all the unplugged. Wait for my computer to do anything other than die. It's performing the drag. Uh-oh. Something popped up. It popped up so quick I couldn't see it. So, import assets. Good. That means the drag is being completed. Yes, cool. I can close this window then. Rabbit, how about you? How's your game going? If you're still around. You're here. Doesn't answer. It's going. Nice. Yeah, on my last break, I was really debating long term if I'm going to be able to get this in time. But we'll see. We'll see where it is. Overall, it's been a fun journey. Got a couple of fun gifts out of it. Got multiple streams. People who subscribed to my channel are all going to unsubscribe now because I've spammed them in one day. It's like, he doesn't make anything until he spams us like 3 times in one day. But luckily, hopefully, this will get the kickstart. I have one minor project I have to work on my plugin generator, and hopefully I'll have 100% focus on my cooking game. Which that will be fun. That will be a lot slower process, not 48 hours. I spent already 1 month in just developing design time, so. Nope, okay. Not gonna let me close out of it that way. I have to close out of it that. I don't need anything in Firefox right now. That should free up my computer to do other things. Hey, we're in the 80s. My computer's not at 100% right now, Rabbit. It's at 86. It's resting. Should I sleep? Should I make a coffee? And continue development? Should I sleep now? Wake up really early, so many choices. Which is the best? Which is the correct one? So I guess the real question is, first, how young you are. Because that definitely changes how much sleep priority is. I personally would say this game jam is not worth not sleeping. I plan to sleep my normal number of hours. Um, so I would choose sleep. Also, how far are you? How many hours of work do you think you have left before getting it done, which includes building the itch page and getting screenshots and stuff for it? Okay. Let's. And I added things in, so let's do this. I have a thank you PNG. I don't need that. That can be discarded. I don't need that. I'm good. Okay, so I have a bunch of music. Music added. I have no clue, but I'm planning to finish up early, at least like 3 hours. So that's not bad. I would recommend sleep then. If you only have about 3 hours left, get some good sleep. Wake up, hit hard and heavy, get the itch page done. You should be well off in completing this. Okay, Cleo. Um, let's delete that. Okay, apparently it's already deleted. Cool. Okay. I don't need that. Let's open up the starter guide. See what we. Why? 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 Let's grab this, move it over here, paste it here, and then close out of that. And I will fix Firefox again at a later date. Okay. Let's see. Creating songs. Songs contain a collectible of audio clips known as intensity. Configuration allows you to bend between multiple variations of the same composition at your discretion. Additionally, songs used a field called reverb tail to allow you to seamlessly loop tracks prior to completion. In order to use simply create one or more songs with each containing at least one intensity audio clip. Right click, create audio manager song, put in some songs, and then optionally add a reverb tail. You will see RT parentheses at the end for composition. Okay. Apply songs to the manager. So I need to drag and drop the manager in. And then add the songs. Play from the manager, explain the manager and the options. Manager is designed to be simple but elegant solution for small scale projects or simple audio needs, such as options are extremely limited. Easy to explain. Audio source prefab. Or for looping current song, play on awake, max volume, default song blend duration, the default amount of time it will take for the previous song to fade out and the next song to fade in. Bad. I mean, 3 hours before submission time. I'm not sure how many hours left to make the game. Probably 5 or 6. I would still say sleep. I would recommend sleeping. If you don't submit it, write me and I will store it away for a record of bad decisions I've made. Default intensity blend, the amount of time it will take from the previous intensity to fade out to the next. Using it, play song. Play available song and simply call the play song method. So you can give it an int, or you can play song with options, which also is song intensity, start time blend. Please note that playing a song or modifying the intensity alias for play song uses the object pool will create new game objects if existing audio sources are busy playing. Stop song, change the intensity. It seems like a lot more than what I need. Simple manager instance return a singleton. Yep. And thank you for purchasing. Okay, this seems a lot more complex than what I need, but we will get it. Let's create portal card songs. And let's try to create a song. And let's go to our unplugged. We want leather. I don't think intensity 2 is all that great. Okay, so grab these three. Is it again? I think I had. There is a way to click without having to lock it, but for right now, we're gonna lock it. There we go. And we'll call. I rename this and call this leather. Actually, like that. We're actually just go in here and just get another new. Call this one vacation. Create another new song. I'll call this one yours. And finally, we will create one more new song. And this will be. Open up chores. Okay. Chores. Do this. Okay. Have a good night. Definitely when you get off, or not when you get off, um, when you wake up, find me on Discord and shoot me a link to your game. I would love to play it. Oopsie, I did not want to do that. Okay, I don't think intensity 2 is really what we want. I think I know what they're trying to do with intensity 1s and 2s, but yeah, I don't think we need intensities 1 and 2. Lock this. Hmm. Okay. So here I got songs now. Now let's figure out how we do. Okay, I created the songs. To apply songs, I need to drop the prefab song manager. Okay, 45 general BOB. Okay. And in the prefab song manager, I have songs. Grab these songs. Okay. Gonna wake. Not gonna loop the current. Theoretically, we should be good to go. Let's see. Is he gonna play the next song? Okay, that arrow is coming back. That's a new arrow. That arrow is back and that arrow is back. Cool. So we're gonna go back to plane in here. Amount of time it takes to blend two different songs. So let's go 0.5 and let's go 0. These trees are floating. I will have to lower them. Okay. Um, Drag and drop. Place the songs in the bottom. Example of audio manager. Loop current or decide whether or not the current song being played will loop when it reaches the end play. Max volume. Blend. But I think I'm gonna write my own song manager. I don't think this really helps me all that much. The prefabs I'll keep. Um, because I can mix them, but I don't think I'm gonna keep the song manager. I'll create my own audio manager. Create a script called audio manager. We're gonna actually capital A. We're just gonna create our own quick little audio manager script. It's gonna have a list of the audio source prefabs. Okay. Grab this. Okay. I need to make a singleton. Remember how to make a singleton off the top of my head? I don't recall. Unity singleton. Yep, that's the secret sauce we need. Okay. We need a private static audio manager. Have a get. It's gonna have a private set. I think actually needs to be a public. Okay. And then we're gonna have a private void awake if instance is not equal to null and instance is not equal to this, destroy. I might destroy this. Then this equals instance. Can I not do that? This can only be read. Okay. Then destroy. I don't like that because it's aggressive, but for right now, I don't have time. Equals this. Okay. There's a quick little singleton. Cool. The next thing we need to do is we need to have it where it can get these SOs. So I think that will be a, what am I saying? I think we can actually just quick jump into the song manager and put it done. Do private list song.data. We can just have that actually. We're do private list of song.data underscore data equals new list of song.data. Song is not something we have. Is it very easy to import? They and use it in space. Just do the same. Okay, now we got that. But we need to make this a serializable field. Serialized field. Yeah. So then we need a public song. And guys, give me one quick break. Google that real quick. Good. This out as its own image. Zoom in here. And F11. Wrong one. F11 this one. A little bit more. Okay, and I'm back. Okay, so we need to play song. And this one, we need to look at some of the data structure. So, the song is going to have an intensity list. Intensity clips. So we need it to give us the song E. We will go with -1 as its default. and int intensity, which will also be 1 by default. Oh, I need to have this void. Go. Reason why we did -1 is so that we can randomly choose one if need be. So if ID is -1, then we get to randomly choose. I'm just gonna keep doing my random Google searching for code. Jump that over here real quick. Guys are all the way over there, so move you back here. Okay. Unity choose random list. To what is it? Random dot range. Yep, that makes sense. Random dot range. Want 0 and data dot count. And we'll do ID equals this. Can actually do it here as well. There we go. If intensity equals -1, do intensity equals random dot range between 0 and data dot ID dot intensity clips dot count. So that's going to give us that and that. Then we just need to actually play the song. So this will be audio sync clip. Play. No. Back to Google real quick. Google real quick. Unity play audio. Unity play audio one after another. Okay, cool. So we can just do what's audio? Audio? I guess it'd be, in this case, data dot ID dot intensity clips dot intensity dot play is ready to play. audio source dot clip dot how did they play song? A song. How do you get it to actually play? Okay, I'm gonna open up their manager on here. Go to private, destroy, audio source, get next audio source, fade volume, loop, okay. Set intensity, play song. Song with option. Okay. Audio source equals current. Let's see if we can set this to an audio source. X. Nope, it does not like. Audio clip cannot be converted to audio. Okay, so this is the clip. So oh, is it because I need to add an audio source? There it is. Audio. Yeah, that's why. Okay. Let's see what they have. Oh, theirs is just a prefab. That they just reference. Okay. You just grab a prefab. Or why not? Serializable. To manage your list of audio sources for equal. They just have audio source prefab. Private. Okay. Let's not do that. I really don't like how they're doing. Annoying. Okay. Add an audio source here. We'll just copy and then we can do as simple as I don't like this. This means it's new, so we need private audio source audio. source, I guess. Audio source equals get component. There we go. Audio source dot all of this. First. This. And audio source dot play. That should be enough to at least get a song play. I need something. We have a private. We'll have a start. We'll give it a little bit more time. So there's a year. Return new. Wait for audio source dot. And then we just do play again. Or cursive of function, but fix that. Okay, what's wrong? What do you keep yelling at me about? Start song. Audio manager.start song cannot be an iterable block because void is not iterable type. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't like this. It needs to be an I and numeral. Okay, it call itself again. Yay, it can call itself. So we'll just do play song once, and then it will keep doing that until the end of time. Okay, let's see where this gets us. I hear no sound. Do I hear no sound? We have an audio manager. We have it on start. Should be, oh. Something's not working because serializable. There's nothing serializable here. This should be. Why is this not being... Don't get it. I don't get it. Why are you not here? Hmm. Like, this doesn't make sense. This should be shown. Make it public just to verify everything. Nope, it's still not wanting to show up. Okay, public int I. Super simple, fairly an inconvenience. If this doesn't, I have no clue why it's not. Okay, my int showed up. That's good. Is it because we have property right before it? Okay. Hmm. Usable struct relevant data for song. Usable struct relevant song. I delete. Now we're not setting it. Nope. I at least know it's working. Is it because of the underscore? I know, there's a lot of underscores. I wonder if the underscore is like a hidden way of hiding. Nope, still not showing up. I don't get why. Okay. Gray has to be a specified size. Now, this is the correct way. Okay, back to their script. How are they doing it? Okay, we're just gonna copy this and dump that data right here. See what happens. Oh, I think I know what it is. Data is part of a song, but a song is not part of data. So one is serializable and the other is not. Yep, there you go. Songs. Okay, so what did they do? No code to get it to work out. When do they set this? Data index current song. Equals no. Data. First song. Okay. I'm gonna do that at the very short. We're gonna go every song. Add the data for the song. Okay. Songs.free. Let me just make sure I understand this. For each song, add that song data. Yep, okay. Now we should be able to pour songs in and everything should work out nicely. Okay. Songs. Fuck this. Okay. Play and see what we get. Sadly, it seems like it's not playing the songs. That isn't good. Yeah, this. At least getting an audio clip out. It doesn't look like I can get an audio clip in. You know what? We're gonna just simplify all this. We're not gonna take songs. We're just gonna go public audio clip list audio clips. Good. We're not gonna need this crazy thing. We're just gonna need audio. And we don't need intensity anymore. This is just gonna be audio clips bracket D. Play that and we're done. Okay. It does mean that we can delete all these SOs and see what we get. Okay. Delete all these SOs real quick. Bye bye. Let's just grab this. Yep, that's a good volume. Nice, clear. If it works, it works. Doesn't, it doesn't. We will know. Let's hit play. Not playing the audio. Let's just grab Hmm. Uh, I just like how difficult this is being. Okay. We'll grab Simple Manager. Because at least it was playing audio. Can I undo some of the stuff I did? Nope, I can't. Good. Lovely. Okay, let's create a new song. See if we can just get it. If we can just get the song. Okay. Soft. All okay. Play on awake. Alright, just don't need it to loop. Because we might be able to get away with using some of the code we have. Okay. So that plays the song. That's good. That plays the song. And then we might be able to fake it until we make it. So instead of having this do any of this stuff, let's just have it. We'll keep the singleton pattern. We'll kind of keep this, but we're gonna modify it. Do we have the PDF open still? Yeah. Of course not. Cool. Okay. So we should be able to do this. Possibly in these, but let's at least try to get this working. No? Have an example of the code? No. Of course not. Would they? Okay. Okay. So this dot manager, there should be a private manager, I guess. Audio. As this is all internal, we should be able to go audio man equals get component manager. There we go. Now instead of this, we should be able to go. Now what would it be? Audio man dot Be one of these blue. Or not. What am I setting here? See? Everything disappeared. Boom, boom, boom. What am I setting? Audio Man song. Should be able to grab the song from the code. Can't. I changed their code to make songs public. There you go. Don't worry about anything here, I swear. Be fine. Now I can do songs dot. Yep, cool. Cool. So now instead of this, we can go give me the songs that are available. Cool. Then I can do audio manager dot play, and I'm going to give it the ID. That should be fine. That's playing the song. Then I need to go audio manager dot time remaining. That's a get. That makes that even easier. We'll wait until time's done remaining, and then we'll go to the next one. Close that. So this actually won't play on awake anymore because this will play it on start. So where is my audio manager? Go. Hit play, and we should hear it playing. Nope. For whatever reason, it still doesn't like it. Okay, what if we have it play on start? And instead of it doing this, we kind of do it in kind of reverse. We wait, we randomize, pick, play again. Right. Now it should find its groove. Need to go down. Sorry. We might just have it on loop. Might just call it a day and just have it constantly looping. Okay. You know what? We're gonna call it a day. If we're gonna try to get it anywhere near done, we're just gonna call it a day. We're gonna have it loop the corn song, and it's just gonna keep looping. And we're gonna just remove this component entirely. And if we have time, we'll resolve it. So, vacation was good. Chores, let's hear that. Chores isn't bad. We are going to move all the other options. And we're just gonna call that a day. Not great, but we're gonna call that a day. Okay, we got music. Not great, but A. This project's slowly spiraling out of control. We got music working, I'm happy. Okay, let's get a random point for the deer to spawn, and that should be really easy because that should be as simple as grab this, move down here, in a random starting position, and that should be done. That should be as easy as it is for starting. Yep. Look at that. Okay. And we're just gonna try one more time. Nope. Okay, so we need to adjust the starting position slightly. That is all 100%. Okay, let's have it actually fit right. That'll be 130. Actually, let's try to get all the mountains. I can make the boundary boxes a little bit more thicker. Okay, I can't find that easily. Might be the easiest way to see all the actual boundaries. Okay, so I'm going to have a smaller section right there. I'm gonna grab, oh yeah, need to lock all these on and grab the, dang it, this is gonna be a nightmare. Okay, um, so right here is one, right between those two trees. I don't want hunters. So we're gonna go 25. 77. Okay. Give all those. That looks like it will be. So let's grab the 100th position and click. $25.77 mountains. Keyboard. So, and then it looks like we can go all the way up to just offset that tree. Dead center. Let's go all the way up to just off. And let's see. That's nope, that clicks the wrong one. Yep, that will be 25, 40, 25, 40. Beautiful. Okay. We want all the way over to where that tree is. All the way over that tree. Okay. All these. This. That looks gonna be good. 23. 2, 2, 3. 43. Seven. And yep, that looks like that should be good. It's like right where that little flower is. Okay. So with all that, let's open up our script again. And we're just gonna go into again starting position. Max X is now 223. The min is 25. The max Z is 77. And the min is 43. Now when we play, we will spawn randomly. Okay, position. Nope. Where are we? 65 and 74. Okay. Let's back down here. This is where we respawned. Collider did. We didn't miss a collider. We don't have the altitude. So we're gonna spawn a little higher. We're actually gonna undo what we just did. Because if the altitude is the only issue, then we might be able to get away with a couple of things. we might be able to just go in here, jump the altitude up real high, and just have them fall down for like 10 seconds. So right now we're at 0. So let's jump that up to 5. Now we're a little high up. That's fine. And we'll have gravity like negative 50. We should immediately hit the ground wherever we spawn. Hey, we're on the ground. Nope, we're actually good. Okay, do that again. Inside it. Doesn't look quite good. Let's turn down the gizmo. 3 icons. Yeah. Weird, but the camera's inside it, but that's only because the camera. Odd. Maybe shrink everything down by a couple points, because you're only about 1/3. Yeah. As long as it's reachable. See, like right here. That's only because of where you are. Your camera's right here. But once you get away from it, you'll be fine. I wonder if we can rotate the camera or rotate the player to be facing the center. Which, who knows what the center of this is. I can tell you it's definitely not 0. To center position. That and so I could actually do this, just divide these values by 2. So 2, 4, 3 minus 6 divided by 2 is 18. 5. Z is 6 minus negative 41 divided by 2. That's going to be negative 23. Nope, it is positive. It is positive, but hey, fine. Looks roughly. Manually just out there. Clean this up so it's easy. 7. So I think if we just have it where the player is always facing towards the center, that will always be look towards transform target be a vector object to point toward. Is there an object roughly right in this? This is our God tree. I don't like it. You shouldn't like it, but it's gonna be our God tree. God. And we'll just look at the God tree. Unpack the prefab just so it has no issues. And then once we get that, it's going to be as simple as transform, look at, and we just need a target. And the serializable field, private, new object, God tree. Get the God tree. Oh, it needs to be a there you go. Save that. Everything should theoretically break. But we now are going to look at the God tree. Okay, so 100 position, I need the God tree. Cellulose position, God tree. Oh. What is this? Yeah, okay, so you're inside Snowbank. Technically on land, I just need to move you up. How much? Grab 30. Will be 30. Actually don't like these hills being viable positions. And it looks like these are based on the X. So let's go drop it down to 185. 185. 185. And we can drop this 30 down to a reasonable number, let's say 5. 5. Okay, and we'll do one more trial. Okay, where is the video? Here is right here. 16. So I think this is more on the Z. So let's get not great. Let's cut this down to 80. That one isn't bad. Not bad. Jump one more time. Not bad. We're good there. Okay. So, update this. Got audio working. Starting position's working. Now we just need to get the ending position, which I still need to make one. Luckily, I think we're gonna do something really. I've been thinking about it for a bit, and I think we're just gonna have a giant cylinder with a collider with like a spiral wireframe, something easy, gator. I think we're just gonna grab this, put a giant thing, wireframes, call it a day. Like we're bare boning it now. And looks like it went good. that, don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. Okay. See how this works. Hopefully it's as simple as like I drag this onto something and it's a water. What I would hope. Motors, wireframe, put the wireframe here on. Dead, call, watch on YouTube. Let's watch on YouTube. Quick. Click the model. Read, write, enable. Apply it. Add a component. Wireframe needle. Okay. Create a material. Block material. Needle. Wireframe. Okay. Grab that material and drop it on there. Here, okay. Play. Okay. This will be it. Okay. That -1. Wait. Okay. It looks like it is very simple. See how good I can. Okay, so let's get cylinder. Try and position it. Go. Make it twice, 3 times as big. Or go times big. And Y1 go 30 times. That should make it pretty clear no matter what. We can pour it up so it's just barely out. 5. Okay, all that looks good. Okay, let's quickly rewatch this video. Chalk. Chalk. Add water. See? Zero. And okay. Potatoes. You fire shape. Drag thing. Hit play. Put it up. Wireframe. Zero. Okay. First things first, turn off the mesh. Actually, that might have been just all I needed to do. Yeah, so that's not bad. Gonna get better, so I can go into here. Drop it down. How did you change the color? He changed it that way. Okay. Get like that. Ooh, yeah, that's perfect. On off the title and a boo ba bing. Just looking now real quick. Gotcha. Oh my gosh, it's right there. Just I need no glue on. I also want to make it. Oh, wire size. Out to me. Still have one. We can identify. I do need to actually build this to have a collider, but it needs to be a triple collider. I could like have this like to not. Or whatever. Well, there. Yeah, so I don't have to like see it in great detail, but it's in enough detail that I appreciate it. I should add a countdown. Yay! Cool. Oh, we're actually getting somewhere. Music's annoying as shoot. Properties. Okay. Getting shot countdown. Okay. I'm gonna rename this to goal. It also is gonna need get that gen spot position. There's my god tree. It doesn't really need one. Might as well have one. And I think we got game. Oh, where am I? Negative 34 is bad. I need to get something. And I want to be up. Oh. Let's check the card. Negative. Or is just 30? Okay, so Z34, great. Let's just add 10 to this. Have a little round counter. See how many rounds you could get through? I think might be the goal. This tree is floating. What tree is this? 3 is flip. Go. We have game. We have game. Like, we have game. It works. Not the greatest game, not the best game, but we have a game. I don't know why this thing is like slightly tilted. It's because it's looking at instead of toward, isn't it? And it's not the end of the world. Yeah, it's not the end of the world. Kind of a unique or glitch. I accept it. Okay, where's the deer? We can't place the flare there. 160 by -40. Okay, we'll cut it down to 35. Okay. I think it's time for another video. Let's spice this up. Right. Good. Okay. Messed up. I messed. Okay. Of course. Okay, so it needs to be a lot more. Goal needs to be 60. That would definitely hit it. I liked doing that and doing this. That almost guarantees us that. Ready? Beautiful. Now, GG. Okay. Technically game question mark. Technically a game. Game just has to really have two major points. A main goal and an end goal. It technically has that now. So we have successfully made a game? Question mark. Properties. Let's update this. Technically a game. It is a game. We are good. Let's add the trigger effect here, and then we'll take a small break. I don't really want to take a small break, but take a small break. What else do we need to do? We have a few things we need to do. We need to... Technically, this is done. We just need to have a trigger for it. Add trigger for successful. Successful game over. Then game over, start screen. Level counter UI, and that will be pretty much it. It's not great. It's not great. It's not great, but it is a game, technically. That's all we care about, right? All we care about is the technicality of, is it a game? 16 hours remaining. If I go to bed now, I get 8 hours. So I actually think I will end it here. Don't know. I don't know if it is a game or not. I don't know. I don't know. I think I will end this stream here. I might still work on it tonight, but I don't think I'm going to be working on it in a consistent. So we're going to end the stream here. Hopefully